Welcome to Honey Hill Farmstead. I'm Jennifer. I have a couple projects to do outside today. I'm going to cover up a garden bed with some plastic, and I'm going to take out some wood chip bedding for some chickens that have been cooped up in the coop too long. And it's getting pretty messy out there. So let's get to it. Okay, these are the two garden beds that I'm going to cover with plastic today. They're just really small raised bed gardens that I was growing some herbs in over the summer. And when I was walking by them this morning, I noticed that there was frost on the leaves of my rosemary plant, so I thought I should probably cover them up. So that's what we're going to do now. I bought these on Amazon last year at the end of the winter. I had been using these little swimming pools to grow my herbs, but I wanted to do something a little bit better. So I got these two little ones, and then this spring I'd like to put a longer one in between and probably fill it with some vegetables if I can. And then here is that little rosemary plant. I don't know if we can see it, but it was all frosty this morning. These garden beds came with a netting for bugs, shade cloth, and also a plastic greenhouse cover. I had been growing some oregano, thyme, basil, and rosemary in this one. And over here in the other one, I had some dill. And I think it looks like maybe we got some little volunteer dill in here. So I'm going to cover it up too. So I guess I'll start putting the plastic on. That was pretty easy. I guess now we'll go out to the chicken coop right here and put some wood chips in there for them and some hay inside their house. So let's go do that. So here's the chicken coop. Got a couple roosters in here and quite a few hens. They've been cooped up for about a week because some of the hens have been wanting to roost on the porch, and then they leave poops all over the porch, and I don't want them to be doing that, so I'm trying to get them back in the habit of coming to the chicken pen at night. So it's getting pretty messy in here. I did put wood chips down probably a couple months ago, and it's time to put some more. I'm going to go ahead and put some hay inside this house that we have here too, so that they can stay warm tomorrow when it snows. They'll have somewhere to get up off of the snow. Also in here, we have this covered with tarps to block from the wind. And I'm going to put the wood chips in there so that they'll have a nice dry place to walk around and scratch around. This is our old tiny coop. It's really starting to fall apart now. But when we have baby chicks, we put them in here. So that's enough talking. I guess I better get to work. Got an egg. Always nice when you find an egg in the wintertime. I had one earlier that I already took in. Scratching that around later. Thank you, girls. Scratch it around. Okay. Now, put some hay in here. Another egg. 3 today. That's awesome. Also, keeping them cooped up means I can find the eggs when they do lay them, because they like to go find hiding spots. And I don't always find their eggs. Alright. Now that we've got that done, let's go look at the girls. That's what it's all about. The goats. I am so glad it's sunny today. I love sunny days. Always cloudy, rainy, mostly just cloudy and windy lately. They are not my favorite. I see Artie over there wagging her tail. Better write that down. She's probably in heat today. Hi, girls. How you doing? Let's see. Yeah, there's not much water in there, but it's not frozen. It's looking good. I'll give them some more water when I come out to feed them later. Hey, there's my star. Looking so pretty. She might be pregnant. She should be coming back into heat this weekend if she's not pregnant. Then we got Artie. I feel like she's a little bit too small to be bred, so we're waiting until April or May so that we can have some babies in the fall. Alright, girls. Rosie, Prim, Lily, got Ann over there. She talks a lot. Also, look at Artie. She's over there by Scotty. She's like, hello. Are you my boyfriend? Not yet, Artie. I also want to wait until springtime to breed her. She's the youngest one. What are you doing? Alright. Well, I'd like to stand here and look at these girls for a long time, but like I said, I'm gonna have to get in and start making dinner. So if you're still watching the video here at the end, I just want to say thank you for watching and see you next time.